Hello, Namaste, Annyonghaseyo Kpop fans. Welcome to our channel UNNie. Today's video is about JYP Global Monthly Zoom Audition in JYP Entertainment Company. In this video, I will tell you audition qualifications, audition category, audition period, required attachment files, awards and benefits, audition procedure, what to prepare for Zoom audition, how to apply in the audition with me and know what you need to write in the application, results announcement and some very important note points. But before that, if you are new on our channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to know more about the upcoming K-pop audition informations and tips. You can also follow me on Instagram for my upcoming videos update and some more information that I am unable to share on YouTube. The ID link is in description box. Now, let's start our video. Note, if you want to know about JYP Entertainment Company, its artists and its always open global online audition in which anyone can apply at any time, then please watch this video. Its link is in description box. Audition qualifications. Any boy or girl from any country born in or between 2001 to 2011 can apply in this audition. Audition category. Choose any one category from vocal, rap, dance, acting, model. Audition period. This audition opens every month starting from March 2022 and it will be opened also in April, May, June and so on. You can try to apply every month. On Instagram and also on JYP Audition website, they update new application form link and new date for Zoom video call audition. Required attachment files. While registering for this audition, you don't need to attach any picture or video. You will show your talent in Zoom audition. Awards and benefits. A successful applicant will get an opportunity to participate in special training system of JYP Entertainment Company. Audition procedure. Register in this audition through the new link given by JYP. You can find application form link and new Zoom audition date every month on their audition Instagram account or on their audition website. In registration form, you will see 4 timings in Korean Standard Time. Choose any one timing from 1, 2, 3 or 4 p.m. KST. The selection criteria of this audition is they will select only first 100 Korean applicants and first 100 non-Korean applicants. And these 100 applicants are also divided in 4 parts. It means they will select 25 applicants for each timing 1, 2, 3, 4 p.m. It means 25 applicants for 1 p.m., 25 applicants for 2 p.m., 25 applicants for 3 p.m. and 25 applicants for 4 p.m. When the time slot will be full, then you will see this no longer accepting text beside the time. If you see this text, that means you can't choose that one timing. You need to be very fast as you can when you see application form link. Every month you will need to check their Instagram or website to see whether they have updated new link and audition date or not. I know it sounds tough, but it's not impossible to be in first 100 applicants, and I think soon they will change their selection criteria just like SM Entertainment did. SM also had same process for monthly audition, but now they have started taking random applicants. If you will be able to submit your form successfully, then it means you have been selected for Zoom audition and the link for the Zoom meeting will be sent to your email address in your application at 11 a.m. KST on the day of the audition. Please enter the Zoom waiting room at least 15 minutes before your audition time. After submitting your registration form, start preparing for your Zoom audition. What to prepare for Zoom audition? Make sure to have Zoom app in your device. Be prepared with your mobile or laptop in a bright and quiet room and try to keep your background clean and not stuffy. If you are applying for dance or model category, then make sure you have enough space to perform and prepare a good sound quality music box to play music for your dance. Wear something comfortable and trendy but simple. Don't dress up like K-pop idols. You can use little bit light makeup. Don't try to overdo it. Prepare these things to show your talent. Vocal. Without instrumental, unaccompanied means no background music. Perform around 1 minute of a song. Both cover and original are accepted. Original means self-written song. Rap. Without instrumental, unaccompanied means no background music. Perform around 1 minute of a rap. Both cover and original are accepted. Dance. With music, perform around 1 minute of a dance. Both cover and original are accepted. Here original means self-choreography. Acting. Perform around 1 minute of acting of your choice. No scripts assigned means they won't provide you any script. Prepare your script by yourself. Model. A runway walk and 3 poses to show after a walk. How to apply. Every month, always keep an eye on JYP Audition Instagram account or on JYP Audition website notice page. When you see link, search or tap on the link. I will attach their Audition Instagram account link and Audition website link both in description box. Register in this audition, choose your timing and fill out the form and apply in this audition. Now let's see application process. I will show how to get application form link from their audition website notice page. This is the audition website. Tap here. From here you can change its language. Tap here. This is notice page. This is notice for March monthly audition. Right now it's showing that it's closed. So it means the 100 non-Korean seats are full. But I am still able to show you the application process. Tap on it, scroll down. Here every month you will find new link for your monthly registration form. Tap on it. These are the audition details. Scroll down, tap on this apply button. Scroll down, tap on this apply button for non-Koreans. It is showing there is no audition available for registration. It means all 100 seats are full for this month. But I will still show you that application form when I was able to fill out this form. This is the form when I was able to fill it out but couldn't submit this at that time because seats were full but it was opening at that time. Here write your full name, write your email address, tap here, request for verification code. Now open your email or Gmail inbox and check whether you got this email or not. If you did not get this email, then check your spam box and also make sure that you have logged in same email address that you have written in the form. Now copy this code, come back to the form, paste code here, confirm it. Now make a password that must be at least 10 characters long with alphabet like ABCD, numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and special characters like #. For example, you can make password JYP ENT@007 or China #112 etc. Make sure to remember this password, otherwise write your password somewhere to remember it. Here write same password that you have written here. Choose your one audition category. Choose your audition time. This time is given in Korean Standard Time. Make sure to change it in your own country's time zone by using Google and then choose time according to your comfort. I can't choose any time because all seats are full. Now choose your nationality. Select your country code. Write your contact number. Choose your gender. Choose your year of birth. Write your height in centimeters and weight in kilograms. Write your occupation, means are you a middle school student or high school student or are you a job holder. Here write your full address. Here write your experience in the talent you are applying, your awards, year of practice, any achievement like selection in any competition or company or working with a group or company for your talent. And if you have ever been selected by any K-pop company in any audition round, then also write that here. Scroll down, read these terms and conditions carefully and tap here. After completing it, tap on this apply button and you will successfully apply for this audition. For me, it's telling to choose time for audition, but I can't choose any because seats are full. So it means now I can't apply in this audition for this month. I can try next month. Results announcement. Zoom call audition result will be sent to only past candidates via email or phone call within 2 weeks of the audition date. Please note that those who don't pass will not be contacted. Some very important note points. You cannot change what you are applying for: vocal, rap, dance, acting, model after the registration, so please choose carefully. You can register only once, only one audition time period for each JYP monthly audition. It means you can submit only one form in a month, but this audition is not related to always open audition. If you want, so you can apply in monthly and always open audition together in a month. There are separate registration pages for Koreans and non-Koreans, so please double check before applying. You can only participate at the time you registered for. You cannot change your audition time, so please select the time that you can participate. Anyone regardless of nationality, residential area and gender can apply for JYP monthly audition if born between 2001 and 2011. The link for the Zoom meeting will be sent to your email address in your application at 11 a.m. on the day of the audition. Please enter the Zoom waiting room at least 15 minutes before your audition time. Note that if you are not present in the waiting room at your turn, we cannot set up another audition time. After the registration, you can check your application through the My Audition feature by entering your name, email address and password. Please make sure to enter these items correctly when filling out your application. At the end part of this video, I have shown how you can check your submitted application form from My Audition section. We will notify applicants who've passed the first round via applicant contact details in the application within 2 weeks of the audition date. Please note that those who don't pass will not be contacted. JYP Entertainment casting team is also planning on bringing back in-person JYP monthly audition. We will make an official announcement once JYP monthly audition goes back to in-person, depending on the COVID-19 situation. Today's comment winner is Mahi BTS Army. Thank you so much Mahi for your trust and support. Please keep supporting and loving our channel. Lots of love to you and for all my viewers. In my next video, I will announce the next comment winner from this video. So please don't forget to comment and show your love. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you a lot. If yes, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and support to our channel. I will meet you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, love yourself and be happy.